On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can make $6 in every 60 seconds as a complete beginner without investing any money, without any skills, and without any experience. This method is one of the best ways that you can use to make money as a complete beginner. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The platform that we are going to be using today is Max Bounty. Max Bounty is one of the affiliate networks that you can get CPA offers to promote. As you can see, this is my account. You can see my earning right here. Today I've earned $389.23. Yesterday I earned $182.17. You can see this month so far I've made $1,893.29. So that is the amount that I've made. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you step by step on how you can also make money like this without investing any money. So now what you have to do is that you have to create a Max Bounty account. Wherever you are in the world, you can create a Max Bounty account for free without paying for anything. What they do is that they will take up to 2 days or more to approve your accounts. So you have to be patient so that your accounts can get approved. Once it gets approved, you can then begin to promote offers on this platform. So now once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to select an offer to promote. You can see these are CPA offers. You don't need to get a sale before you earn money. Some of these offers you only need a lead. You can see this offer right here. You are going to be earning $60 per every lead that you get. This offer you are going to be earning $7.50 per every lead that you get. This one you are going to be earning $18.75 per every lead that you get. You can see $25 per every lead that you get. There are many offers that you can promote on this platform. So as I scroll, you can see many offers that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them. If you want to select an offer, you can just click right here, browse, so that you can select the offers that you want to promote. Once you click on browse, you are going to select trending offers. You want to select the offers that are trending right now, offers that are converting right now. Once you click on it, you can see this offer right here, inbox dollars. You are going to be earning $2.40 per every lead that you get. It is one of the trending offer that you can promote. You can see Survey Junkie. You are going to be earning $1.20 per every lead that you get. You can see Survey Voices. You are going to be earning $2.40 per every lead that you get. You can see many offers that you can promote. This offer right here, you are going to be earning $4.40 per lead. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then select the offer that has a higher payout. You can see this offer right here. The payout is $3.75. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to scroll down so that we can search for an offer that has a higher payout. You can see this is $4.50. You can see $1.50, $2 per lead. So you can just scroll and then select any of them that you want. As I scroll, you can see many of them. Once you scroll down, you can see this offer right here, clean my mark. You are going to be earning $18.75 per lead. You can see Survey Junkie. You are going to be earning $6.40 per lead. You can see Live Points. You are going to be earning $3.75. You can see many other offers that you can promote. In this case, I'm going to select this offer right here. It is one of the offers that you can get a lot of leads to earn money. So just click on the name of the offer. Once you click on the offer, what you have to do is that you have to check whether you are allowed to promote the offer. So when you come here, you can see your status, the offer, it is approved. The next thing is that you are going to look at the traffic sources that are allowed. You can see the traffic sources: display, search, social, native, mobile ads, emails. These are the traffic sources that are allowed. When you come here, you can see you must be 16 years plus, as you can see. Apart from that, you can see these are the traffic sources that are not allowed. So you are not supposed to promote the offer using these traffic sources. Apart from that, you can see right here, daily cap, 100 actions per day. As you can see right here, 100 actions per day. So you only need 100 leads per day. You don't need to get more than 100 leads. Apart from that, you can scroll down and then check the country where it is allowed. It is allowed in only the United States. You can see devices, all devices, operating system allowed. So that is it. Once you check all the details, the next step is that you are going to get your affiliate link. To get your affiliate link, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, build tracking link. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to select your traffic source so that you can get your unique affiliate link. In this case, we are going to select native. Once you select that, you are going to scroll down. You can see select a creative. In this case, we want a raw link, so just select raw link. Once that is done, you can see this is your raw link. You can see it right here. This is your affiliate link, so you must get people to click on this particular link and then take the action for you to make money. You can just click right here to copy your link. So now once you get your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to find a traffic source where you can get people from the United States to take the surveys for you to earn money. This offer allows people to take surveys and get paid. You can see it right here. Take surveys, get paid. So your potential visitors, they are going to take part in surveys and get paid, and you are going to earn $6.40 per every lead that you get. So what we have to do is that we have to market this particular offer to people so that they can participate in the surveys. One of the platforms that you can use is adpost.com. On this website, you are allowed to post your ads for free. You are not going to pay for anything, and the best part is that you can select any country that you want. So what you have to do is that you have to create an account so that you can post your ads for free to any country that you want. You can see right here, these are the countries that you can post your ad. The first one is United States, Canada, United Kingdom, Ireland, Australia, you can see New Zealand, Singapore, Malaysia, Philippines, Indonesia, India, Hong Kong. These are the countries that you can post your ad. In this case, the offer is allowed in the United States, so you have to create an account so that you can promote the offer to people in the United States. To create an account, just click right here, sign up, so that you can create your free accounts. Once you click on sign up, you are going to see a page like this. Just click right here, I'm not a robot. Once you click on that, you are going to see a page like this. Enter your email address, your password, confirm your password, your first name, last name, username, select your country, select your region. Once that is done, you are going to select your district, enter your city. Once you enter all the details, you are going to click right here, create account, so that you can create your free accounts. If you don't want to enter all these details, you can just click right here to sign up with your Google accounts. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. Just click right here, post ad. Once you click on post ad, you are going to select the country where you want to post the ad. In this case, the offer is allowed in the United States, so just click on United States. Once you select the country, the next step is that you are going to select the category. So you can see different categories that you can promote your offers. You can see a whole lot of them. In this case, you are promoting a survey offer, so you can just come right here, select employment, or you can select business opportunity. In this case, I'm going to use the employment category, so just click on employment. Once you click on employment, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to enter all the details. So the first step is that you are going to enter the category, so just click right here to enter the category. Once you select that, you are going to scroll down and then select other announcement. Once you enter the category, the next step is that you are going to enter caption header, so just click on it and select announcing. Once you select the caption header, the next step is that you are going to enter the caption. The caption is simply the title of your ad, so just type your title right here. In this case, we are going to type get paid to take surveys from the comfort of your home. Simple like this. Get paid to take surveys from the comfort of your home. Once that is done, you are going to write a description, so you can just highlight and copy your title. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to use ChatGPT to write the description for you. So just type a prompt like write a description for this ad title, something like this. Once you write something like this, paste the title of your ad right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste your title, just click right here so that it will write a simple ad title for you. As you can see, it is writing the ad title. You can see it is writing the ad title. You can see this is a very long one. You can see it is too long, so we are going to ask ChatGPT to make it short. So we are going to type something like make it short, something like this. Make it short so that it can shorten it for us. This is too long, so just leave it like this. As you can see, it has written a short one for us, so just highlight and copy the description. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you enter the description, you are going to enter the type. So just enter the type. You can see right here, these are the jobs. You can see everything. So you can just select work at home. Once that is done, you can see seniority. You can click on it you can just say fresh. Once that is done, you can see job title. You can enter the title. So in this case, it is not necessary. You can see salary. You can enter the salary range right here. In this case, we are going to enter, let's say, $45 per hour, just something like this. We want people to click on our link and then partake in the survey so that we can earn money. So once that is done, we are going to scroll down. You can see starting date. So just enter the starting date. You can just type something like immediately, something like this. Once that is done, you can see education required. So just say others. You can see opening, so 5 or more. Once that is done, you can see advertiser. So you are going to select whether you are an agent or company. In this case, we are agent. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see name. So this is where you are going to enter your name. Once you enter your name, you can see company. So you can just type anything that you want. So just type any name right here. Once that is done, you can see address. Just enter any address that you want. Central New York, something like this. Central New York. So just any address. Once that is done, you can see the zip code. Enter any zip code that you want. Just enter the zip code. Once that is done, you can see city. So let's enter New York, something like this. Once you select the city, you can see state, county. So you are going to select the state. You can see the different states in the United States. So just select any of them. In this case, we are going to select New York. So just scroll down and then find New York so that you can select it. As you can see, New York, you can see a whole lot of them. So just select any of them that you want. Once that is done, you are going to select the country. You can see United States. The offer is allowed in the United States. So just enter that. Once you enter that, the next step is that you are going to enter your phone number. It is not required, but if you want, you can enter your phone number right here. Once that is done, you can see email. You must make your email private, so you have to check this box. Once that is done, you can see website. This is where you are going to enter your affiliate link. So you have to come back on Max Bounty and then click right here, copy link. Once you copy your link, you are going to search for tiny URL. So just search for tiny URL. As you can see it right here, tiny URL. Just search for that. Once you search for it, it is going to appear right here. So just click on it to open the website. Once you open the website, paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste it, you are going to click right here, shorten URL. As you can see, the URL has been shortened. So click here to copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. This is your affiliate link. Anytime you get people to click on it and then take part in the survey, you are going to be earning $6.40 per every person that you get. So make sure you always paste your affiliate link right here. Once you have your affiliate link, you are going to scroll down. You can see there are premium options that you can select, but in this case we are using the free version. So just select basic classified ad. Don't select premium. If you select premium, you're going to pay. So you don't need to pay. You have to use the free version so that if you get money, you can then pay for the premium ad. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see preview ad. So just click on it to preview your ad. Once you click on preview ad, just scroll down to see how your ad will appear. As you can see, this is your ad. You can see everything. This is your ad. You can see everything. You can see the description. You can see the type and the rest. So let me just scroll down to show you more. As I scroll down, you can see the details. You can see your affiliate link right here. So anytime people click on it, they are going to get access to the offer through your affiliate link. If all the details are correct, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, post ad, so that your ad can go live. Once you click on post ad, you can see the ad number right here has been successfully posted. So your ad is now live on this platform. If you want, you can upload images. If you don't want, you can leave your ad like this. In this case, I'm not going to upload images of the offer because it's about employment. What is important is the title. So if you get people to read the title, they can click on the link and then take part in the surveys. So the most important thing is the title. So make sure you go and post a lot of ads onto this platform so that you can get many people to click on your link and then take part in the survey for you to earn money. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.